midweek here. It's Wednesday. You know, we have been so quiet for the past week. I haven't seen much. What we have seen is a lot of cold air. Actually, it was we haven't seen this cold of an end of March in 28 years. That's kind of crazy. That's really ridiculous, actually. So now that we're heading into we're heading into April in the next 2 days or so. Thank goodness. Hopefully we could also change the pattern that we're in. It's a cold pattern that we've been in, but let's make some changes. It's all because of a high pressure system that continues to just like pivot right around southern Canada into the Great Lakes region. So what we got going on? Temperatures are moving up slightly, right? Yep. Today we had temperatures in the mid-40s. I'm not complaining. I don't want you to think all I do is complain about the weather in Chicago. Believe me, I've lived it all my life. I know this is what we expect, but you know, I'm anxious. I'm ready to move on, right? I'm ready to get on with the spring. I'm not ready for severe weather, but I am ready for the warmer weather. So 44 in Chicago right now, Madison 46, Dubuque 45, well, it's 51 in Champaign. Cool, though, however, in Fort Wayne, they're at 41. So now, last few days, see, we didn't have much contrast in temperature changes, but now we're starting to see some cooler air to the south, cooler air mass to the south. That's because of showers and thunderstorms, and then a little bit of some warm up out to the west. So here's that funky jet stream. It continues to just stay in our area with the cooler weather. Here what I'm talking about, there is this high pressure. So remember, you got clockwise flow with those winds coming right off the lake. It'll keep you chilly as temperature water is just 39 or 40 degrees. Here is that jet stream. It digs right in right here. And this is where our next system is going to bring in a little bit of some rain. Then that low moves off. Boom. We still are a little bit cool even for Saturday. Temperatures still will be, this is typical, like upper 40s or lower 50s. Now you're going to start seeing a big temperature gradient. See how the warmth is just into the tri-states and we still have the cold air back into western Michigan. So we do move some of that warm air advection into our area before we get hit again. Yeah, that comes on Tuesday. Look at all the warmth out west. And then we'll be talking a little bit warmer. I think everything is going to switch. And then once we get through the first week of April, hello, good golly, I hope we make changes and we get some of that 60-degree temps. Okay, so today earlier we had mid-level to high-level clouds to start off our day. That's because one storm system is moving out of the area. We'll see another one actually come in late Thursday night into Friday. Cubs Day is Friday, starts at 1 o'clock, the game. What we're looking for is if we could get lower levels of the atmosphere to saturate, then yes, we'll start seeing maybe a few flurries flying around. But those temperatures will continue to be above 32. So maybe a few flurries or a wintry mix and then a little bit of some light rain. This is what one of our RPM models or one of our models is calling for, about 0.13 of an inch. And that does go all the way until 3:50 p.m. Oh, actually, it's dropping it because it was 0.13 of an inch. Now it just says about 0.08 of an inch. And so that's good news because when you bring those winds coming off the lake, this is a very dry atmosphere. And we've had those winds coming off the lake since last Tuesday. And so we'll see those winds very light tonight, clear skies, make for a little chilly night tonight, 22 to 28. And then slight moderation in temperatures once again for your Thursday forecast, 43 to 49, winds stay light. And then Friday, no longer are those winds coming off the lake, but it'll be a cold, like raw rain when we get the rain in, if we ever do. 46, and then Saturday we have some clearing skies out there, 48, but most of the temperatures should be right around 50 degrees. And then Sunday and Monday, I'm going with 50, just so you know, on the 7-day forecast, okay? I'm going with 50, but some of the southern suburbs will be much warmer than that, and some of the northern suburbs are going to be much cooler than that, and we've got showers in the forecast. Rain, that is. I'm meteorologist Duffy Atkins in the WGN Weather Center, where it is Duffinately Weather.